Everywhere on the internet you hear one thing: make money online. But here's the problem. 90% of people fail. Either it's a scam or they don't know the real system. But today, I'm going to show you 3 real websites where people are actually earning money daily and withdrawing it. No fake promises, no scams, just real methods that work. In today's video, you will learn 3 legit websites that pay daily, how they actually work, how to get started, step by step, how to grow and increase your income, and most importantly, the real mindset behind online earning. So if you're serious about making money online, watch this video till the end. Part 1. Reality of online earning. Let's understand the truth first. There is no free money. You either invest time or skill. There are 3 types of people: people who try and quit, people who stay consistent and earn, people who build systems and scale. You need to become the 3rd type. Website 1. Fiverr. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can sell your skills as services. What you can do: logo design, video editing, thumbnail design, script, writing, AI content creation, step-by-step process, create your account, create a gig, your service, optimize title plus description, clients, place orders, you deliver the work, you get paid. Growth strategy: start with low pricing, deliver fast and high-quality work. Later, increase your price. Target premium clients. Earning potential: beginner, $5 to $20 per day. Intermediate, $50 to $200 per day. Advanced, $500+ per day. Pro tip: pick one skill, master it, then scale it. Website 2. Upwork. What is Upwork? Upwork is a professional freelancing platform where clients hire you directly. Work options: writing, web development, digital marketing, virtual assistant, step by step. Create your profile. Add portfolio. Apply for jobs. Get hired. Complete work. Receive payment. Growth strategy: write strong proposals. Show value to clients. Communicate professionally. Earning potential: beginner, $5 to $15 per hour. Advanced, $50 to $150 per hour. Secret tip: advanced, $50 to $150 per hour. Secret tip: high-paying clients are here. If you're serious, focus on Upwork. Website 3. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform is best for beginners. You can complete simple tasks and earn money. Tasks: surveys, data entry, image tagging. Process: create account, choose tasks, complete tasks, get paid. Earnings: small per task but consistent daily income possible. Strategy: complete more tasks, work faster, stay consistent. Part 5. Comparison. Fiverr skill-based, high. Upwork freelancing, very high. Mturk beginners low, but daily. Part 6. Reality check. Let's be honest, daily earning is possible, but it's not easy. No skill equals low income. High skill equals high income. Consistency is everything. Final message: if you are serious about making money online, start today. Choose one platform, master it, and you will start seeing real results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the next video, I'll show you how to get your first client on Fiverr.